The last thing I want to talk about are cylinders. And if you notice, a cylinder is almost a prism, but it's really a 3D shape that instead of having true bases like rectangles and triangles, it now has circles as its bases. And the height of a prism now is measured from the center point of one circle or one base to the center of another one. We'll worry about finding heights later, but for now, when you see a number expressed like this on the outside, such as this problem, just know it's really measuring the height from the center here to the center here. And we know how to find the area of a circle. If I want to find the area of this circle, I know that formula is A is equal to pi r squared. So as long as I have a radius, I can find the area of a circle. Now, I know that once I find the area of this circle, all I have to do is stack that circle up by its height, and again, I can get the actual volume of this figure. So the volume of a cylinder is still equal to base times height, except the base is now going to be a circle. So you use this formula into place. So let's do this example. On this figure, we need a radius and we need a height. Well, to find the radius of the circle, we see that they're giving me the entire length of the circle, or all the way across the circle. Remember, that's called a diameter. If we want the radius from the diameter, we know that the radius is equal to 1/2 of b. So the radius here is just 5. And then from there, we can find the area that's equal to pi times 5 squared. Now we're going to leave that in terms of pi, and 5 squared is 25, so that's 25 pi. To find the volume, we see that the height is 15, so the volume is equal to 25 pi, the area of the base, times the height, which is 15. Now we multiply 25 pi times 15, and we just multiply 25 times 15 and we get 375 pi. And remember, our units here are going to be cubed, so it's 375 pi centimeters cubed. This is what we call an exact answer. If I want an approximate answer, I would take that pi and do 375 times 3.14 for the approximation for pi, and that can give you the approximate answer of 1,177.5 centimeters cubed. So again, finding the volume of a cylinder is just like a light prism. You're going to find the area, instead of the base now being a triangle or rectangle, it's now a circle. So find the area of a circle, stack that area by its height, and then multiply.